Shifting our focus to Rome, Italy, thousands of demonstrators, including members of far-right groups, took to the streets of the Italian capital on Saturday to protest against government's extension of COVID health pass system to all workplaces. Demonstrators clashed with riot police near the Italian parliament to denounce government's latest measures. Police used water cannons and tear gas to disperse the mob, while several protesters are later detained following the clashes. One group of protesters tried to break through police lines to reach Prime Minister Mario Draghi's city centre office, while a separate group tried to smash their way into the headquarters of Italy's main trade union office. The certification in Italy, known as a Green Pass, takes effect on October 15 and applies to public and private workplaces. The measures are the first by a major European economy requiring proof of vaccination or a recent negative virus test for all categories of workers.
Pur facendo questo, obbliga i cittadini a vaccinarsi per ottenere un lasciapassare per poter accedere al proprio lavoro. Quindi è un ricatto di una natura criminale e vigliacca da parte delle istituzioni ai più alti livelli, a mio avviso.
Italian ministers have backed the measures, calling it a necessary step to avoid further lockdowns and to revive the economy. According to them, the measures are aimed at reinforcing Italy's economic recovery, with GDP forecast to grow 6% this year.